What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another quick video. And guys, I know it's been a little bit or whatever, but I just so happened to log into my iSpeed to Lead account today, and I saw that they now have like a deals platform where you can actually sell your deals off to cash buyers. So I was like, look, I got to make a video about this one because this could change the game. This could be like a nice little step towards, there being more disposition platforms. I know that iSpeed to Lead already has a lot of people using their system, buying leads and things of that nature. And if you can dispo them right there as well, I think it's going to be very, very interesting. So I just kind of wanted to let y'all know about it and kind of show y'all the back end of the system that I'm seeing right now and just kind of take it from there. Let's just kind of see what we can come up with. All right, so we're here over on iSpeed to Lead right now, and now there's this new tab, like you're usually on the Leads tab, but I got here today and I saw this thing called Deal Speed. I'm like, Deal Speed? What's Deal Speed? Okay, let's see what it's all about, I know when I did have my recent interview with Yuri, the VP over at iSpeed to Lead, he did mention that they will be having a database of buyers soon that they'll, you can actually sell your deals, but it's pretty nice. Let's see what it's all cracked up to be though real quick. So we've got this video right here. I kind of want to watch this because I haven't really heard anything about it yet.
My name is Gene and I'm the co-founder of DealSpeed. DealSpeed is a place where investors can transact off-market property with each other, as well as if you're a cash buyer or a flipper, you can find hundreds of deals that are off-market, that are discounted, that are published to the platform by thousands of wholesalers that are registered on DealSpeed. This marketplace is truly the only one of its kind where you can find discount off-market properties every single day in every area of the country, and where you can sell or offload your inventory that you currently have if you don't want to deal with agents or putting your property back on the market. Okay, so check out DealSpeed. If you're buying, you can browse the properties right now. It's completely free. If you're selling, you can post a property for as low as $199 per month without having to pay any additional fees or commissions or any of that stuff, okay? And unlike many other offerings, at the point of transaction, there's no fee that the platform, the DealSpeed, charges, okay? We're in it for creating a great marketplace, okay? We've already been in the marketplace business for a long time. We've got the #1 leads marketplace for real estate investors, which you can also check out. And now DealSpeed is part of this whole ecosystem, okay? Very excited to see you here. Go ahead and browse the properties, post up your property, get it blasted to millions of buyers, up to 5 million buyers all across the country with emails, phone numbers, and all that stuff. And have fun, make money. We'll see you.
Boom. Yeah. Sounds pretty interesting. Sounds like it's going to, it sounds like you can post your properties on here. It's going to cost, I think he said like $200. Let's see, it says DealSpeed subscription. So it looks like they want $299 a month for it is what I can see, unless I'm missing something. Yeah, I think it's $200 a month, it looks like. No, $300 a month to be able to get it. Let's just see, register now. Oh, that's not found. Let me see. Click the subscribe button. Okay, yeah, so it does say $299, but this looks like it's a kind of like an introductory price. It looks like it may be going up after April 15th. Today I'm recording this is April 5th. So just kind of keep that in mind or whatever. This thing may go up soon. So the price will change. So it says post your contracted properties, whether you got them with iSpeed to Lead or not. Blast 4 million plus cash buyers via our built-in email system and get maximum eyeballs and competition on your property. Download our cash buyers list. You can send them in SMS, all-in-one dispo solution, Very interesting. Sort buyers by the most active buyers. Use our night vision feature to see which cash buyers viewed your property. Very interesting. Enjoy daily traffic of thousands of cash buyers that browse DealSpeed Marketplace. Okay, so man, it seems like iSpeed to Lead is basically trying to come in here and get some of that market share that InvestorLift has right now. They're basically, I'm not sure, they say that they got a database of over 4 million people. So I'm not sure if it's like the same database, maybe it's different people or whatever. But that's very interesting. And then like, basically, this is like that one platform that will allow you to actually buy a lead on this platform and then actually sell it or whatever. I do think that that's really, really cool. You're not going to see that anywhere else, not as far as I know, at least. I don't know of any other platforms that are like that, but this is very interesting. $2.99 a month. And so it looks like They've got cash buyers. Okay, so this is like the cash buyers database. They got a real estate agent database, title companies, 20,000 title companies in every U.S. county in your pocket. That's nice. Campaigns. Okay, right. So this is where you'll be sending out your email campaigns. Then offers will come in, and you got this thing called night vision mode. That's pretty cool that they added that in there or whatever. That's very similar to Investor Lift. That's essentially showing you how many people viewed your property, what people viewed it, da 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 da. I'm not exactly sure, like, what other data you'll get with that or whatever. I would like to see what that looks like. I'm not subscribed myself. I literally just found this out or whatever, like just now. I may end up getting a subscription myself at some point, but I just figured I'd make this quick video and just let y'all know, look, apparently you can start selling deals on iSpeed Delete now. Well, on Deal Speed, let's call it Deal Speed. It says off-market discount property marketplace. That's interesting. That's pretty cool. I wonder if they have this like outside of iSpeed Delete, or do you have to have an iSpeed Delete account? Can I just go to like dealspeed.com and still get to the same, the same section? That would be interesting to see. But it looks like, yeah, you just got to put in the regular information, property info, finance info, dispo manager name, upload a contract. Okay, we will check and make sure the validity of this contract to keep our marketplace reputable. The contract stays private and is not shared when any part of it. Okay, so apparently you got to actually have the property under contract. They want to make sure that you not got some daisy chain type stuff going on or some BS or something like that happening. So that's very interesting. It looks like it takes PDFs only. That's what it looks like or whatever. So that could be an issue sometimes. I know a lot of people have them saved as different stuff or whatever, maybe just like a doc or something. So that's interesting. That shouldn't be a problem though. And then you just write up your description right here. Pretty simple. And then let's see. It says next step. So you'll upload photos and videos, and then you'll check it and publish it. Seems pretty straightforward, pretty similar to Investor Lift. So this is really interesting. I'm curious if you guys have tried it out yet. Like if you're watching this video, if you have tried it out, please drop me a comment down below and let me know how that's been for you or whatever. I think I am going to try this out myself. I kind of like the way that the marketplace looks. Let's see what these properties actually look like though. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, so we got the information right here. Oh, look, they got the buy now price and everything. Okay, that's interesting. So, boom, you got the whole write-up right here. Boom. Very interesting. Okay. And boom, you can, like right here, you can go ahead and make an offer. You can give that person a call if you wanted to. That's pretty cool. So, boom, if I click that, I can like make an offer right here, contingencies, people that'll be on title, et cetera. Then I'm assuming at that point, then their offer would be inside of, inside of this offer section. So that's pretty cool. Seems like this would be pretty nice for a buyer coming up in here and just finding properties that they'll be interested in. And it looks like you can copy and paste these people's names as well. That could be pretty helpful. Like if you had a VA and they were kind of going through reaching out to people, they can kind of copy and paste some stuff into a CSV potentially and start reaching out to some of these people. If you had a lot of properties on here. So it looks like it's only like 33 properties on here so far, but I think that they literally just came out with this like maybe a few hours ago, earlier today, yesterday, something like that. It's extremely recent. So I like to see like more deals on here, more people. Oh, okay. So you could take the map off. Like, yeah, I would like to see like, like more deals get posted. It look like it's a bunch of Texas stuff. Jesus. They're going crazy out in Texas. But yeah, I would like to see a lot more properties being posted onto the platform and stuff like that. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll end up seeing some of my deals on here being disposed. It seems like another marketplace. I know that Investor Lift is going to be a tad bit more for some people or whatever. So maybe this could be a decent alternative to people that just can't do the Investor Lift cost per month situation right now, but they still want to have access to a ton of different buyers. So yeah, maybe something to look into, guys. But anyway, though, guys, man, what do y'all think about Deal Speed? Have y'all tried it out yet? Are you gonna try it out now that you checked out this video? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. Also, guys, if y'all like videos like this where I'm talking about the different softwares and services in the real estate company, in the wholesaling space, investing space, check out this playlist right here. I got a bunch of other videos where I go through some of the most popular softwares out there, all right? And also, if y'all do go over to iSpeed to Lead, make sure that y'all use referral code Wholesale Coach. I'll put it on the screen. The link will be down below. Check it out for yourself. They're going to give you $25 free. So you might as well just get that free money, y'all. And until next time, guys, we are out. Ha.